imagine a place where there are no laws, no rules, no consequences. Welcome to Vice. A utopian paradise where you can have or do anything you want.
That resort keeps this city going. You had to go in there and cause a big scene.
You killed a girl in my world. Now you get to play with me.
You would think that if people could commit any crime they could think of, they could
find you. I got you into this mess. I'll get you out. Maybe there's a way we can take down Vice once and for all. We could give you an upgrade.
not bad for a robot.
You think anything's gonna change?
There's nothing you can do to stop.
There are two kinds of people in this world.
We're up to this, huh? Who's got their hand in your pocket now?
You still have time left. Why waste it looking for someone who may not even exist?
He does exist. There is a window here. It won't be open long, and Benair will have gotten away with it.
I don't feel comfortable letting you go in there alone.
I'm not helpless.
It's his life, his choice, but no matter how this turns out, it will end badly for you.
We got him scared now.
For the next 91 years, no other tombs are disturbed.
Tell them not to open it up yet. Tell them to hold off.
Until now.
So what happened to him?
Toxic air.
Usually found in caves and tombs, structures that have been sealed off.
As you can see, the pyramid behind me has only 3 sides, not 4 like the Giza pyramids.
Look at the size of that thing.
Hey, he's saying.
It's the end. The end of the path I started us on.
Nothing lasts forever.
He was going to be the one to find his tribe the biggest, baddest villain to serve. Stuart felt hungry mostly. He was going to be the one to eat this banana. And Bob was frightened of the journey ahead.
Débito? Matoka! Polano la matoka. Hein? Banana? Stuart? Banana! Banana!
Problem, just leave me alone.
Sir, reporting high levels of sass.
Take it to DEFCON 2.
DEFCON 2.
I don't know where this disrespectful attitude came from. You want a piece of this, Pops?
Yeah, well, look.
Prepare the foot.
Keys to safety position. Ready to launch on your command, sir.
Just shut up!
Fire! That's it. Go to your room.
The foot is down. The foot is down.
Good job, gentlemen. That could have been a disaster.
Well, that was a disaster.
Come, fly with me, Cachinha.
potion's dangerous.
It destroys order.
I want it!
You should see your face. Wait, I can show you. Dawn! Release my sister!
Give me the potion by moondown, or you'll never see your sister again.
We must rescue Dawn. Who's with me? Booties, prepare to be shaken. I said, hey, I could go on today. I'll be back around the way. You want an adventure? You got it.
Thank you, Tiny Rabbit.
Spit. I know one thing. I love you.
Sugar pie, honey bunch. You know that I
Meet my mother.
Don't you have a comb?
Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Oh, I think I got one of your antennae. You fight well.
Wish I could say the same for you.
What do you mean?
I don't know. I was expecting more.
What?
Just kill me now. Make it quick.
Bring me the prisoner.
No eating!